Hello and welcome to the tutorial of how to design the spot layer file for Duplo DDC-A10 Red Spot UV Coder. We will go over the process of creating the spot layer file and show you how simple it is to design the file by using the built-in tools in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Once you have the CMYK file ready, the first thing you need to decide is where and how you want to put the spot UV varnish on the design. The main concept of creating spot layer is to convert the CMYK file to black and white or grayscale and save it as a PDF. If you use the vector format of images such as logos, fonts, or patterns, and you only want to print one thickness on the same sheet, first of all, duplicate the CMYK layer and select the objects you want to add the varnish on. Change the color to black and delete the unwanted elements. You don't need the spot UV. If you would like to apply different thicknesses on one sheet, you can define the thickness of varnish by using different levels of grayscale. The DDC-A10 has 7 thickness settings and can print from 20 to 80 microns. Follow the polymer build reference guide, which you can download on Duplo's website on the spot UV product page. Decide the maximum thickness you would like to print on and change the object's color to corresponding grayscale. Let's take this golden ornament card for example. If you want to do maximum 80 micron on this design, and apply 80, 60, and 40 microns to each ornament from left to right. First of all, duplicate the CMYK layer. Delete the background and select the first ornament. Change the color to 100% black. Choose the second ornament. Double-click the black swatch. Choose the color mode to grayscale and change the color to 70% black. And repeat the same process and do 45% of black on the third one. You can also create the spot layer swatch for future use. Next, I'm going to show you some tips to get your finished pieces more attractive by adding the textures and patterns on top of your design. If you are dealing with a JPEG image, firstly, open the image in Photoshop and change the image mode to grayscale. Select Filter, Filter Gallery, Photocopy Filter to get the black and white sketch look. And you can also adjust the details and darkness depends on your preference. However, image format like TIFF and JPEG have a pixelated construction and it's not ideal for size enlarging on printing. So if possible, we recommend to use vector image such as EPS format for spot layer. You can convert the TIFF and JPEG to vector format in Adobe Illustrator by following steps. First of all, click the arrow next to the Image Trace button. Or you can open the Image Trace panel under Window, Image Trace. Step 2. Select the preset drop-down menu and choose the black and white logo. If you want to adjust more details on the image, toggle the Advanced menu down. You will see paths, corners, and noise options. Adjust the sliders that best suits your unique design. Right now, you can get the clean and smooth edge of vector image. Applying patterns to your spot layer could be an eye-catching effect on the printing file. You can create your own patterns or use the built-in basic patterns like lines and dots in the Illustrator. Select the object you want to add the pattern on and open the Swatches panel. Click the Swatch Libraries menu, Patterns, Basic Graphics, which consists of dots, lines, and textures. Pick the pattern you like and you can also add it on the fonts or logo. If you want to resize the pattern, click Object, Transform, Scale, and uncheck the Transform Objects and rescale the pattern to the best look. There's one thing we should avoid when designing the spot layer file, is do not add the spot UV on the creasing and cutting lines. We recommend to leave at least 2 mm blank around those lines to avoid varnish cracking. Designing the spot layer just needs a couple steps, so be creative on your spot layer. Print embellishment made easy. Thank you for watching.